வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் சவுத் ஏஷியன் அசோசியேஷன் ஃபார் ரீஜனல் கோஆபரேஷன் SAARC, its formation, its objectives and some important points about SAARC, and then we are going to mark SAARC countries in map. Asia is a continent in the eastern and northern hemisphere. It is located east of Europe, north of Indian Ocean, and it is bordered on the east by the Pacific Ocean and on the north by the Arctic Ocean. The continent Asia is divided into 6 main geographical regions, namely South Asia, East Asia, Southeast Asia, West Asia, Central Asia, and North Asia. History about the formation of SAARC. The idea of cooperation among South Asian countries was discussed in 3 conferences, that is Asian Relations Conference held in April 1947, New Delhi, Baguio Conference held in May 1950, Philippines, Colombo Powers Conference held in April 1954, Sri Lanka. In the late 1970s, the 7 inner South Asian countries, that is Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka, agreed upon the creation of a trade bloc and to provide a platform for the people of South Asia to work together in a spirit of friendship, trust and understanding. The President of Bangladesh, Ziaur Rahman, addressed official letters to the leaders of the countries of South Asia, stating his vision for the future of the region. During his visit to India, he discussed the issue of regional cooperation with the Indian Prime Minister Morarji Desai. In 1977, King Birendra of Nepal gave a call for close regional cooperation among South Asian countries in sharing river waters. Responding to Rahman and Birendra's convention, the officials of the foreign ministries of the 7 countries met for the first time in Colombo in April 1981. In 1983, the international conference held in Dhaka, Bangladesh, by its Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the foreign ministers of inner 7 countries adopted the Declaration on South Asian Association Regional Cooperation SAARC. It launched the Integrated Program of Action IPA, initially in 5 agreed areas of cooperation, namely agriculture, rural development, telecommunication, meteorology, and health and population activities. First SAARC summit was held in Dhaka on 7th and 8th December 1985 and hosted by the President of Bangladesh, Hussein Ershad. The declaration signed by the King of Bhutan, President of Pakistan, Prime Minister of India, King of Nepal, President of Sri Lanka, and President of Maldives. Foundation of South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation SAARC. Ziaur Rahman is known as the father of SAARC. The SAARC was founded in Dhaka on 8th December 1985. Its secretariat is in Kathmandu, Nepal. The organization promotes development of economic and regional integration. Objectives of SAARC. It promotes the welfare of the peoples of South Asia and improve their quality of life. It promotes and strengthens collective self-reliance among the countries of South Asia. It accelerates, that is, increase economic growth, social progress and cultural development in the region by providing all individuals the opportunity to live in dignity, that is, self-respect, and realize their full potential. It strengthens cooperation with other developing countries. It cooperates with international and regional organizations with similar aims and purposes. Principles of SAARC கொள்கைகள். According to Article 2 of the SAARC Charter, it is based on respect for the principles of sovereign equality, territorial integrity, political independence, non-interference in the internal affairs of other states and mutual benefit. Such cooperation shall not be a substitute for bilateral and multilateral cooperation, but shall complement them. Such cooperation shall not be inconsistent with bilateral and multilateral obligations. SAARC Charter. The SAARC Charter of Democracy was adopted in February 2011 in Thimphu, Bhutan. The SAARC member countries signed the Charter of Democracy to reinforce their commitment to improving the socio-economic scenario in South Asia and to provide all individuals with the opportunity to live in dignity, self-respect, freedom and social justice and to realize their full potential. The Charter is inspired by the general objectives of South Asian states to promote peace, freedom and social justice. Members of SAARC. The 7 founding members are Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, the Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Afghanistan joined on 3rd April 2007. Observer countries. Observer status is a privilege granted by some organization to non-members to give them an ability to participate in the organization activities. There are 10 observer states: Australia, China, European, Iran, Japan, Mauritius, Myanmar, South Korea, United Kingdom and United States. There are 8 currencies and 10 languages. 6 apex bodies of SAARC. SAARC Chamber of Commerce and Industry, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation in Law, South Asian Federation of Accountants, South Asia Foundation, South Asia Initiative to End Violence Against Children, Foundation of SAARC Writers and Literature, and there are also 18 recognized bodies of SAARC. The SAARC Secretariat is supported by following regional centers established in the member states to promote regional cooperation. These centers are managed by governing boards comprising representatives from all the member states, SAARC Secretary General, and the Ministry of Foreign External Affairs of the host government. SAARC Disaster Management Center. The SAARC Disaster Management Center has been set up at Gujarat Institute of Disaster Management Campus, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, India. 8 member states are expected to be served by the SAARC Disaster Management Center. It is entrusted with the responsibility of serving member states by providing policy advice, technical support on system development, capacity building services, and training for holistic management of disaster risk in the SAARC region. Secretaries General of SAARC from 1985 to 2020. The first Secretary General of SAARC was Abul Hassan of Bangladesh. At present, the Secretary General of SAARC is Isala Ruben Virakun of Sri Lanka. Here are the list of SAARC summits. The first SAARC summit was held in Bangladesh, Dhaka. The 19th SAARC summit was cancelled due to an attack of Indian Army camp in Kashmir. SAARC Charter Day is observed annually on 8th December. This day marks the signing of the SAARC Charter in 1985 by the leaders of SAARC countries at the first SAARC summit held in Dhaka. H.E. Isala Ruben Virakun of Sri Lanka assumed office of the Secretary General of South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation on 1st March 2020. Current affairs related to SAARC. India Sri Lanka. RBI extends 400 million US dollar of currency swap. On July 25, 2020, the Reserve Bank of India extended 400 million US dollar of currency swap with Sri Lanka. The currency swap agreement will remain till November 2022. Highlights. The currency swap facility was extended under the SAARC currency swap framework. India is currently considering bilateral currency swap request of Sri Lanka for 1.1 billion US dollar. The arrangement is made to address the economic slowdown. What is currency swap? A currency swap is a transaction in which two parties exchange an equivalent amount of money with each other but in different currencies. The parties are essentially loaning each other money and will repay the amounts at a specified date and exchange rate. So this currency swap will reduce the risk of exchange rate changes and also reduces the interest rate risk. That is, the currency swap agreement provides relief from the fluctuations, that is, increase or decrease in currency prices in the international market. General information about SAARC. On 23rd March 2020, website launched by SAARC Disaster Management Center for COVID-19 information. On 20th March 2020, $1 million dispersed to SAARC nations under emergency COVID-19 funds. On 25th January 2019, Cabinet approves amendments to currency swap arrangement for SAARC nations. On 30th August 2018, first SAARC Agri-Cooperative Business Forum held in Kathmandu, Nepal. On 5th September 2018, International Women Entrepreneurs Summit held in Kathmandu. Now let us mark the SAARC countries in map. First, mark the direction in the right hand top corner. First place Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, India, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Pakistan and Afghanistan. These are the 8 member states of SAARC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.